Tell me your question.
Yes, yesterday I went through our notes fully, and you were
Okay.
saying that the difference between that everything. So I went through some notes, WhatsApp notes also
Okay.
regarding the development, quality, and production. We explained. I took the notes, so I read it once. What is that?
Is it Sridhar? Sridhar, is it right?
Yeah, Sriran.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. And Shankar, Shiva, Alvin.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. First of all,
Yeah.
I went through all the informations from your side.
Mm-hmm.
I have noted down all the
Mm-hmm.
SAP applications in server, particularly in PM enterprise asset management relevant informations. The introduction
Mm.
for architecture, SAP architecture, everything I have noted down, and then I went through that.
Okay. No need to tell sir and all. Okay. You can tell my name, Rupesh. Okay. Good
Rupesh.
evening, sir. This and all. I don't want from tomorrow. Okay. And mainly to you, Shankar, when you are speaking, go on mute. Keep your questions. We both will discuss at the end. Okay. You because we will discuss separately. Okay. We'll discuss. Any questions you can keep it. Keep your questions right in your hand. Keep it. And then we both will discuss separately. Okay. Right. So yeah, yesterday's Alvin, your side anything? Alvin, your side anything?
Uh, yeah, I saw through the contents.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay. So yesterday class, just touching a little. I am not going to depth. Okay. So architecture we saw. Okay, not very important. Yes, we should know, but not from the entry perspective. Okay. Important is three systems: development, quality, and production. In the development, configuration is done and unit testing. Okay. And in the quality, the very important point I told yesterday, business testing, that is called as UAT. Okay. 1 second. We just show sheet. Yeah. So quality very important UAT. UAT means user acceptance testing. Business testing is called as UAT. It is done in the quality system. Okay. Before business is doing testing, BIT team should test it. That is the consultants. Development configuration. I know Um, Shankar may not know. Others hope they have some knowledge. I think so. So configuration is saved by TR transport request. Okay. So TR is moved by release with proper testings and production no testing. And we have discussed modules, functional technical module. Our PM plant maintenance is coming in the functional module. We are not going to do coding. Technical is mainly ABAP. Okay. ABAP is a module. ABAP is a module. Okay. So and business a client and user supervisor. I had sent some pictures in the mail. I hope all would have got the pictures. And any doubt on client, anyone, Sridhar, Shivamudra, Shiva, or Shankar, anything, who is, what is client and IT team? You guys are clear on that. I think most of even Shankar is from IT only. He's from testing. So Shankar also will know client mostly. Okay. That won't be thing. Then what other things? Landscape, this is very, very important to all I'm telling. Okay. And master data, this we saw transaction data and this error. And yeah, these are the things we had seen. Okay. These are the things we had seen with yesterday, right? And everyone got me mail, right? Yesterday, the mail I sent Shiva, Shankar, everyone, Alvin,
Yeah, received, sir.
everyone,
yeah,
I hope, Sridhar,
okay.
everyone got the mail, I think so. Okay. So today we are going to go to PM, and before that, I want to just tell the types of testing. Okay. This is not very important, but as a consultant, we should know types of testing done in SAP. Okay. Done in SAP. Okay. So actually there are 5, 7, not so much level required, but we should know something. Why I'm telling this fundamentals. Okay. So yeah. Okay, here many is there. No need to go all. Main is regression testing. This is very important. Integration testing, unit testing, UAT. This is what I told yesterday. UAT, unit testing, integration, and UAT. These three is very important. Others, yeah, okay. Security with roles and authorizations. Okay. String test, it's okay. Maybe related to the FS or something. Okay. This is infrastructure, just like backup, that is into the basis, maybe. Okay. So the main we need to remember types of testing are unit testing. Okay. Unit testing is a very small level of testing. Okay. Small level of testing. Okay. Small level of testing. Okay. This is done in the dev system, development system. Okay. In the development system. Okay. And then only this, other than that, everything in the quality. Okay. Only this in the dev. And if you come to the quality, okay, you can remember development system only one testing that you can remember. Okay. All others in the quality. Okay. Development means unit testing. Development system means very, very small level of testing. That's all. Very simple testing. Okay. So in the quality, okay, we have the end-to-end testing, they will tell. Okay. End-to-end or E to E. Okay. They will tell us E to E, they will tell. Okay. That is full flow from base to the end. Okay. I think if Alvin remember, from notification creation, IW31 to order creation, integration, F integration, everything till your work order business closure. I don't know if Alvin is remembering. If not, no shoes. Okay. So end-to-end testing, and then end-to-end testing, and then we have the integration testing. What is integration testing? Anyone? Alvin or I just touched it yesterday. The word I touched yesterday.
Cross-functional.
Absolutely. Who is it?
Cross-functional
Who gave
testing.
answer? Absolutely. Who is it?
Alvin.
Yes, absolutely. PM to finance, PM to material
FI.
management, PM to finance, and PM to mainly this two QM calibration process. Here calibration process comes. Okay. PM to QM is calibration process. Okay. And PM to PP may or may not. Okay. But integration is there. So these are the 4 integrations. This will go on depth in the classes. This is a very important 100% interview question. Okay. What are the integrations? Okay. 100% they will every interview they will ask. This not this. If they ask PM to MM integration, you need to tell what all are there, stock, non-stock service. That will go later. Okay. So these are the 4. This is a 100% integration. What are the integration? Integration is PM module to other modules. Okay. So these are the 4 modules we are going to touch. Okay. And if we see PM to HR also, we are touching HRMS. Okay. PM to HCM also, HRMS we are touching. Okay. Okay. We'll see. So these are the main 4. Okay. This is integration testing, end-to-end integration, regression testing. Okay. Regression testing means, okay, so every 3 months once or 6 months once. Okay. So they will do all the scenarios on just a test. Okay. We won't do. For that, mostly this will be done by the testing team. Okay. Consultant won't do. Testing team will do the regression test. Okay. That is called the regression testing. So these are the 4 types of mainly unit testing, very simple testing, end-to-end full scenario from start to the end. And integration means with other modules. And the regression means it's like that's what 3 months once or 6 months once. Normally after the TR move to production. Okay, TR means transport request. Okay, Alvin knows, I guess so. Okay, so that is what regression testing.
Generally,
So,
we do like whenever there is a code changes. So if there is
Ah.
an enhancement, whether that enhancement is impacting the current scenarios. So
Right.
so that time we'll do the regression testing.
That is what enhancement TR will move to production. Along with the enhancement, there may be other general changes also, like your configuration changes, like planner group, plan section, okay, like new activity type, new like that also. What you told, I agree. Along with that, other changes also can move. Okay, so that is what regression testing. What you told also correct, but not only for enhancement, even general ERs also. Okay, like I think you would have tested the equipment FL. You have tested functional location equipment. Had you
No,
equipment?
I was mostly involved in HR, QM,
Okay,
MM,
okay,
that
okay,
kind.
fine, no issues. So these are the main four types of testing. Okay, others you can just read this. I sent. I think so. Okay, performance is just whether screen is loading more time like that. That's not a very big thing. Security roles and the regression we discussed now. Integration, this is very, very, very important. Okay. And this is for maybe basis team. Okay. UAT business testing we discussed yesterday. Very important. UAT means business testing, user acceptance testing. Okay. And this is yeah, interface design. Maybe this is what you are doing, Alvin. Okay. With interface and the developments. This is roles and others. This is what I told, basic simple testing. These are the normal testings in SAP. Okay. So these four you can write in a run of types of testing. Okay. You can write it. Not very important. Yeah, it depends again. Oh, okay, okay. Right. Now we'll go to our module. Okay. Now we are which module we are learning? Shankar, which module we are going to learn? Shankar or Shankar?
Yes, yes. PM,
PM. What is PM?
plant maintenance.
Sorry, I am not hearing.
Plant maintenance.
Plan or plant?
Plant
Plant.
maintenance.
Plant. Shiva, be interactive. Any questions? Let me know.
No, sir, no. No questions.
This Christy user. Is it from this? I'm not sure.
Rupesh, it is from me because in
Okay,
laptop
okay.
not
I
visible.
want.
That's
I
why I
don't know.
connected through both.
Fine. I don't know what is the name. Okay, that is what. Okay, fine. Okay, right. So we are going to learn in this plant maintenance. Okay, so anyone can tell me what is plant? Anyone? I think I told
Yes, yes.
yesterday.
Shank,
I told.
I will explain. So plant is a unit where your business operations are carried over either maintenance or productions or quality
You
or
byhearted
sales.
my words. You byhearted my words, right? What
Uh,
I told yesterday, without changing any words, you byhearted. I don't know if you are byhearted with understanding, without understanding. Without understanding, if you byheart, your SAP learning is zero. You should understand with, you need to byheart with understanding. If you forget, you tell that in a different way. Okay. What I told you told, can you tell that in a different way? What you told is correct, but can you use with different words and tell? Shankar.
yes. So the plant, in the sense, suppose anyone you can identify any one industry. From that industry, somehow business operations will be there. So in this business operations carried over productions or sales or
Correct.
quality or
Correct.
maintenance, something relevant to
Absolutely.
that. Relevant
That is what.
relevant term will be there. That is called as
Correct.
plant.
Correct. Correct. So in every house, the head of the family is going to office, right? Absolutely. What we will tell office, industry, okay, factory, company, okay, like that you will tell different places. So these are the places where the work or the activities or the business operations are carried. Correct or not? Even bank, okay. These are the places where the daily activities, any place, it's not only this, any place I'm generally telling. Okay. So these are the places where the business operations, daily activities are carried. So they don't want to use different names. They don't want to use different names. So only SAP brought a common name as plant. All are clear on this plant? Anyone have any questions? What is plant? Clear on the concept? Shiva, Sridhar, everyone are clear on the concept?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is maintenance? What is mean by the word maintenance? What is mean by the word maintenance? What is maintenance? Shiva, tell me, Shiva or Sridhar, what is maintenance? Anyone?
Actually, what my thinking is that whenever if I am sending a production part of applications, once you send the production part of applications, we have to maintain the applications. That means we have to maintain whether if there is no issues or any blunder fallible or some severity unexpected exceptions errors will come across or not, so we can protect it. Then only we have to maintain the system.
Absolutely, your telling is correct, but your answer is more focused with respect to IT, like CVRT and all. Okay. You should tell into a maintenance perspective. Okay. It's
As for maintenance, in my term, it's like equipment, sir. Equipment maintenance. We will be maintaining the equipments of daily calibration, like that. We will be testing that the equipments correctly
absolutely.
working
Is
or
it
not.
Shiva or Alvin? Shiva or Alvin?
Sridharan.
Sridhar. Yes,
And we will go
absolutely.
for preventive maintenance, like that. Everything will go.
Yes, correct. Very simple. Keeping my system 100% available for my daily operations. Okay. For my daily process also, you can tell daily process or daily production. Okay. For my daily process or production. This is called maintenance. What you told is also correct, Shankar. I'm not telling no, but you should not use the word uh, CVRT. CVRT, like it's going to ticketing tool like that. You are going okay. So that is into it. Come when we are discussing on the maintenance perspective, we need to focus with respect to the maintenance words and the terminal. No, yours is correct. I'm not telling no, but just this can be told in this a better way. That's what I'm telling. Your answer is also correct. So this is called plant maintenance. So in any company, okay, how you are going to maintain your system? This is what we are going to learn in this module. This is what we are going to learn in this module, plant maintenance. This is also called as EAM, enterprise, okay, asset management. Enterprise asset. They're same, that's all. Enterprise is the company and organization. Okay, asset you guys mostly know it's the objects. Asset can be told in different ways, mainly objects. Management, how you are managing. So they brought with a new name as EAM. Okay, brought with a new name as EAM. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn. Okay, understand everything, understand and learn. Don't by heart and learn. Try to understand and learn. Okay, when your guys, when you are telling on the next day class, don't try to use my own words. Try to use your words and try to give answer. Okay, that is always good. And when you are giving me answer, don't see in your handout. Try to tell what you know. Let it be wrong, no issues. Let it be wrong, no issues. But give your answer. If it is wrong, it will be corrected. Why means if you tell from the hand note, you will not prepare and come. Okay, I have my hand note. I'll tell and go. Then it is a waste of time asking question. So try to prepare and come. Always when I am questioning, try to give what you know. Let it be wrong if wrong also. Or if you didn't prepare, you tell. No, I didn't prepare. That's okay. But don't see hand note and tell. Okay. So this is what we are going to learn. Okay, plant maintenance model we are going to learn. Okay, right. Okay, so we are seeing SAP, right? So there are many modules, right? SAP, there are many modules. Okay, so there are many things we discussed. So in this SAP software, our module, okay, there should be a origination, right? There should be a start point or the kick point, okay, from the total SAP software I am telling, okay. There should be a start point, right? The origination, how it is getting started. In the SAP software, in this total SAP software, our PA module, what is the origination? How the route is getting started? That is called as organization structure. That is called as organization structure. Okay. Organization structure. They will tell this is the interview question. Okay. Organization structure is interview question. Client, company code, 1800, very important. Company code. This you need to by heart. You need to by heart, no option. Plant, maintenance plant, and planning plant. When you are going to tell, you should not tell plant, planning plant, company code, maintenance plant, planning plant. You should not tell this up and down. You should tell in the same format. Are you clear? It should not go up and down. Everyone are clear what I am trying to tell? Okay, you should not tell up and down. You should tell in the same this format you need to tell. Okay, you should not do this up and down like, okay, like putting here, okay, and adding this in the top, cutting this and pasting here. If you tell this way, your answer is wrong. You should tell this in the same sequence only. Client, company code, plant, maintenance plant, and the planning plant. Okay. Shiva, what is client? Shiva. Shiva.
Client means, sir,
Sorry, I'm
include
not
some
hearing.
company name, sir. That's why it.
No, I'm not hearing you clearly. Sorry, can you repeat?
The client means some company that implementing the SAP that clients.
Implemented by IT team only. They are not implementing. IT team only implementing. Client is business. The owner, the business.
Owner.
Okay? The business. Don't tell owner. The business. The business side. Okay. Business side. Company code is a FI, finance related thing. Okay. Company code is just in a higher level. You are no need to go into depth. It's just your high level financial calculation. That's all. Okay. It is used to calculate a high level. That's all. Don't know whatever word you can use, but the meaning should be matter. Okay. The high level financial calculation, profit loss statement, or like that, that is done in the company code level. That is done in the company code level. Okay. Along with this, okay. Along with this company code, a same name is called as controlling area. Okay. Controlling area. Okay, both are nearly the same hierarchy. In the finance side, we require this. This will be touching more. Okay, controlling area will be touching more. Okay, so below this, there is cost element. Okay, and a very important cost center. This cost center you can tell as our plant maintenance lever. Why means wherever you are going, it is going to come with you. Okay. Wherever you are going, this will be running at the back of us. Okay, so these two are important words. Okay, so many times these two will be touching. Okay, this two is the same hierarchy. Below this is coming. Below this is coming. Okay, this will see, not now, later. Okay, so this all comes under FI. This all comes under the finance module. Okay, FI module, finance module, FICO or FI you can. These two words just you can write in your handout, controlling area and cost center. You can write in your handout. Okay. So this is very important. Okay. Client, company code, plant, maintenance plant, and planning plant. Very important integration. Okay. So client, company code done, plant done. Okay. Coming to this maintenance and planning. So this client, I think basis module. Okay. it's not our basis. And FI, this is MM. MM is material management module. They only will create the plant. Plant will be created by the MM consultant. Plant will be created by consultant. Okay. Not important, just for information purpose. These are the two modules only for PM module. Only for our PM module. Okay. This is only for our PM module. Okay. This is for only for our PM module. Okay. This maintenance plant you can tell as your mother of PM module. Maintenance plant you can tell as mother of your PM module. Normally, any family, okay, any family if you take, okay, who is the midpoint of a family? You have grandfather, grandmother, children, husband, wife. Who would be the midpoint for all? Anyone? For all. Grandfather or grandmother, father-in-law, mother-in-law. Okay, husband, wife, children. Who is the midpoint for all on this? Mother is the midpoint. Right, husband will be discussing with mother, children will be discussing with the mother, the old people will be discussing with their daughter or daughter. Okay, and absolutely father is important, but he won't come in the front end. Correct or not? Always, mostly, most of the cases, he is active guy, but in the back end. He is active guy, but in the back end. Okay, and your grandfather and grandmother. Okay. Got it? So your maintenance plant is your heart of your PM module. It is the pumping of our module. Maintenance plant is the pump station you can remember. Okay. These two are for only our PM module. It's not used by any other module. Only for our PM module. Only for our PM module. This from the intro, these words you should know. I am not telling to forget the words. I am just telling you. This two is for our PM module. Other I told this is basis. No need to remember this. Just I'm telling information. This is finance. This will be created by MM, and this two is for our model. Okay, right. What is maintenance plant and what is planning plant? Before that, again coming to the plant. Okay, again coming to the plant. I want to just make you still start. So plant is like any company. Okay, they are having their different branches. Okay, for example, if you had seen these power stations and all, right, they'll tell unit 100 megawatt, 100 megawatt, 200 megawatt, 300 megawatt, 4. So 100 megawatt, one will be plant 1. Okay, 100 megawatt 2 will be plant 2. 100 megawatt 3 will be plant 3. Why? They want the production each unit separately. Correct or not? Even if it's a leather factory, they are having 3-4 leather factories. It can be next building, or the building can be in different country also. Are you getting clear what I'm telling? The building can be next building, or the building can be in different country also. One building in India, the other country in South Africa, can be, but under one owner, under one business. So this is called as plant. So normally plant will be represented by 4-digit numbers or alphanumeric. Okay, numbers are alphanumeric. This is what plant. Clear on the concept of plant? Still from the more with example. Shiva, Alvin, everyone are clear on the plant. Any no, any yes?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. Location not matter. It can be next to building or it can be in different. They may bring a new branch in London, one in Australia, one in South Africa, but all under one owner. Different branches, or it can be next building. The one is started in 1 year, maybe in 2000. Okay, next building is started in 2001 year. Year I'm telling. Example. Next is started in 2013. So they will tell this as plant 1, This is plan 2, plan 3. So instead of unit, they are using the word plan. This is what plan. Okay. Normally, plan will be 4-digit characters, alphabets, numbers, or alphanumeric. Okay. So this is what plan. Okay. This is what plan. Right. Now coming to the maintenance and planning. Into the maintenance and planning plan. Maintenance plant is a plant. Okay. So this plant, I already told, this is used by all any modules. Okay, by all any modules, all the module, not any module, all the module will be using this plant. Okay, will be using this plant. But this plant, by the word maintenance, okay, you cannot do maintenance on this plant. This is not having that functionality. This plant only have the functionality. Okay, this is the plant where my technical objects, that is the machines, are set up. For example, in this plant, okay, there is an engine. In that engine, if you want to do a maintenance, that engine should be installed. Right, everyone in the handout, the word I am telling, the word installed or installation. You should not tell linking, attaching and all, you should not use. You should use the SAP terminology. Are you clear, everyone? Installation, installed. So that engine should be installed in your maintenance plant. Then only you can do the maintenance. That is what, where my technical objects are installed, are set up, installed, are installed. Any questions on this or clear on the concept? Technical object means with the engine pump. Actually, you can write it. Technical object correctly, the name is equipment FL. This is into question. This will see later. This will be seen later. That is what I am giving here technical objects. Okay. Maintenance plant is the plant where my technical objects installed, because if you install here, then only I can do my maintenance. If it is not installed here, I cannot do. Are you clear? Shiva, in either Alvin, getting
Yes,
the
sir.
concept or
Yes.
any questions? Be interactive. Any question, ask me. Don't worry. Shiva, are you clear? Sridhar, everyone, clear on this word?
Yes, sir. Sir.
I have engine. I have engine. This engine is of this plant. For example, this is in Patna branch. Okay. Example. Okay, Patna branch. So this Patna branch is 1000, but this is general plant. But again, this plant should be as a maintenance plant. Okay, same 1000. So this should be linked to here. If you are not linking to here, I'm telling in the SAP, if you are not installing this to here, then you cannot do the maintenance because it is standalone. SAP will not allow you to do the maintenance, which is if it is not installed to a plant. Got example address, our home address. When you are buying a home, without address you cannot buy. That's all. That is the example I can tell you. Address what I am telling here as instruction. Okay. Okay, that is the word, and where my maintenance is carried. This is the plant where my maintenance is carried. Where my maintenance is carried. Okay. This is the definition for the maintenance plant. The plant at which operational systems are installed. See here. Okay, like your technical objects. Objects, at least you for now tell the word objects, but you should tell technical object is the correct SAP terminology. You should remember the SAP terminologies. Okay, it's important. You should remember the SAP terminologies. Okay, you should. Okay, you should remember the SAP terminologies. Installed technical objects. Okay, this terminologies we need to by heart. No option. This and all you cannot use different word. Okay. So that is what here. Okay. So the plant at which my operational systems, that is my objects, technical objects of a company or restaurant. This is called as maintenance plan. Anyone have any questions on maintenance plant? Alvin, Shankar,
No, clear.
Shiva, Sridhar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If this plant is not set up, you cannot do the maintenance because your object is not having the address. It is not having the, without address, you cannot do anything. Correct, right? You cannot buy your, you cannot eat because your cylinder will not come to your home. Without cylinder, you cannot cook the food. Correct or not? Address is the matter. First is to food. For food, I need cylinder. To buy cylinder, I need the address. I need the address. Okay. Just I will show you. We'll discuss this later. This is the field maintenance plant. So this heater, if I want to do maintenance on this heater, it should be installed to my plant. Clear? All are clear? This, if you want to do maintenance in the SAP system, I need to install to the plant. If I'm not installing, if I create, I cannot do maintenance on this. I cannot do maintenance because it is not in any plant. I cannot do maintenance. This is called maintenance plant. Okay, this is called maintenance plant. Technical objects are installed. That is what I told you. Okay, technical objects are installed. Okay. Okay, then the planning plan. And one point, planning plan. Planning plan is only virtual. Virtual means only for SAP software, not physically. Okay, that is what virtual. India means only for planning purpose. Only for planning purpose. Planning plan is to plan your maintenance for your planning, maintenance plan. What you are going to do here, maintenance, that will be planned in this planning plan. Planning plan by the word planning of maintenance. That's all. Very simple. Anyone? Anything? Okay. So this is what plan, and this is our planning plan and maintenance plan. Okay. This maintenance plan and planning plan are set up in three ways that we will discuss later, not now. Okay. That we will discuss later. That is in three ways: centralized, decentralized, and partially centralized. Okay. That is set up in three ways: centralized, decentralized, and partially centralized setup. Okay. That we will discuss. Maybe you can write. Okay. Maintenance plant and planning plant. These two are set up in two ways. Okay. These two are set up in three ways: centralized, decentralized, and partially centralized. Okay, that we'll discuss later. Not now, we'll discuss later. Okay, now we'll go to the master data. Okay, master data of PM model. Master data of our PM model. So to do my maintenance, if I want to start my maintenance, okay, I need the resources. There are people who are going to do the work. Okay, that is called as work center. It is called as work center. Okay, so if you are going to buy any product, okay, how you will buy? By telling the specification. That is called as class and characteristics. Class and characteristics. It is called as class and characteristics. Okay. I'll write the T code. Okay. We will discuss later, but just I'm writing the T code. Okay. And then we need the object on which we do the meters. Here I told, right? Objects, equipment FL. Okay. So that is called as equipment. First I will tell FL. FL means functional location. Okay. Functional location. T code IL010203. Okay. I'm writing only creation number, creation T code. T code is transaction code. Shankar. T code is transaction code. Okay. Mostly others know. And then the object, equipment. Okay. IE01. Okay. And then very important spare parts. What is spare parts? Shankar. What is spare parts?
Spare parts, for example, um, the two-wheeler, the brake, the wheels, clutch, or
Yes.
um,
Yes.
indicator,
Yes.
whatever.
Yes.
So these are all spare
Yes.
parts in
So if
automobiles.
any repair happen, I don't want to go. I want to remember the company where it is bought, the specification of it, the weight or color or the capacity like that. Okay. So I may forget. Okay. So what I will do, I'll spare parts, I'll create a list and I'll attach. Okay. So there are three types that we'll discuss later. Types of bomb is equipment bomb, FL bomb, and material bomb. Okay. In this material bomb, very important integration construction type is there that we'll see later. Just I'm telling. Okay. Just I'm writing. No need to worry. We'll be discussing later. Construction type is a important integration. Okay. And then measuring point. Measuring point is our room temperature. Our room temperature or the flow value, pressure value, temperature value. Okay. That is called as measuring point, the place you are going to take the reading, and there is measurement document. Okay, measurement document I am writing separately because that is not a measuring master data, as this is a transaction data, measurement document. Okay, and then we have the permit. Okay, we have the permit and strategy, IP11 strategy. This we will discuss later. This is part of preventive, and then task list. No need to buy card. Just you write it. No need to buy card because we are going to see everything. So don't waste time sitting and by cutting this. We are going to see everything. So don't waste time by cutting this. It is plan, not the plant. I'm using the word PLAN, plan, then catching visuals. These are either you want to comment, what is this? You should give the answer. What is this? Either
Yes, sir.
what is this collection?
Uh, this master data of EAM model, sir.
Absolutely. These are the master data of your PM module. This is a basic integration. Okay. Simple integration. No, don't buy card because we are going to do everything in the system. So during that time, automatically you will remember. So No need to bycard for now. Okay. So these are called the master data of your PM plant maintenance module. This is entry question. So till now, entry questions are master data of PM module. What is technical object? Equipment FL is entry question. What is maintenance plant? What is handling plant is entry question. Okay. And then very important, organization structure. Very, very important. Okay. And then integration. That is not now. We'll be seeing later. This is entry question. Types of testing maybe asked. Okay. For today, this is, and for yesterday, 3 systems. This is very important. And which system configuration is done, how the tier is moved, UAT, which system is done, and what is UAT. Okay. Yeah, till now these are the entry questions. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, we have time 9:50 only. We have at least 10 minutes more. Okay. So we'll start with work center. We'll start with work center. Here for this master data, we need to do by heart. No option. Okay. You cannot skip on this by hearting part. We need to by heart. Okay. We need to by heart this. Where is our sheet, sir? Yeah. So this terminology is you need to by heart, boss. We don't have option. Okay. We need to by heart. Okay. So work center category. Okay. Work center. Okay. Actually, it is used by our PM module, also by PP module. PP means production planning. Our plant maintenance module and PP planning also we use. We are using for the purpose of resources. Okay. We are using for the purpose of resources. Okay. One or n number of people who carry maintenance. This is called work center. It is not a place. It is not a place. One or n number of people who carry maintenance. Okay. Same work center by the PP module is called as missions. Missions means the objects on which they want to do their production calculation. That is called as mission. They will tell that object as mission. Any object they will tell as mission, then only they can calculate their production. Why I am telling this? So when the work center is created for your PM module, we need to give this 005 only. You need to by heart. Okay. You need to by heart. Usage is very important. It is the what you are going to use. Okay. Standard value key not important for us, but we need to enter 0. Control key category 002 means labor. Okay. It is for 002 means not to 002. Okay. Don't write to. You should write with leading zeros. You should write with leading zeros. Okay. 002 is labor. Okay. Other formula SAP 008. Okay. Cost center. Cost center. I told just now before. Okay. You can tell us PM to FA level. Okay. It is a cost column, cost object. When you are doing maintenance, your cost is entered against this cost center. Clear? When you are doing maintenance, the expenditure, there should be some place to enter, right? That is done on this cost center. Cost collector, you can tell us cost object or actually it's a one of the settlement receiver that we'll see later. It is a cost object. It's a cost object or cost settlement receiver. Okay. Active type we'll discuss and formula. Formula is SAP W rate. This formula SAP W rate will not change. This we need to by heart. We need to by heart. Okay. So we'll just see little. I won't go much. Okay. Just 5 minutes. Alvin, did you got your system? Alvin,
Yeah, I got in the evening. I got.
installed? Installed?
I have already SAP installed in my system. I have to just set up a network.
The properties usually password.
Yeah,
Literally.
yeah.
Okay.
The server I have to set up. That's
Shankar, you got. Sridhar, check. Sorry, Shiva. Yeah, Sridhar, check with madam and get the server. Okay.
I have the server, sir. Madam,
Okay.
just
Okay. Shiva, you get from sir. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So, okay. So work center. Okay. Work center, as I told. Okay. One or n number of people who carry meters. Work center. Okay. We'll discuss little theory itself. So work center is one or n number of people who carry the maintenance. Anyone have any doubt on this line? Group of people, one or group of people is called as work center. It is not a place. Work center means don't think 5 people are standing in a place center. No, it's not a place. Okay. So work center are basically skilled people like mechanical, electrical, or any. Yeah. It is used for labor activities that you will understand later. Okay, that you will understand. Now you will not understand. Okay. So these are the some things. Just read it. By God, this first line. Okay. Others read and understand. So this is what was like mechanical people, 5 people, 10 people, or at least one guy. So that will be created as a work center. Carpenter, 1 or 1,000. Okay, that will be created as a carpenter. Okay. So cleaner, welder, one welder or 100 welders. 1 RN is called as a work center. Filter, mesh, and like that IT team, like this, any work center is group of people, one or group of people. This is called as work center. Anyone have any questions? What is work center?
I have one doubt, Alvin here.
Yes. Yes.
So you told that cost center is a receiver,
Absolutely.
but this work center is a receiver. But work center is generating the
Work center is not
cost.
receiver.
It is generating the cost, right? Because whenever we are performing a maintenance, some cost is incurred. Suppose we are
Yes.
doing equipment, that cost will go and sit in that. Like suppose I want to clean the equipment, so
Correct.
100 rupees
Correct.
per labor. Okay.
Correct.
Suppose there are 2 people, then that is a 200 rupees per labor. So that
Correct.
expense will go and sit in the cost center, right?
You are telling this cost center.
Yeah. Work center,
Actually,
cost center.
I'll tell you. Actually, what you told is correct in the front. Actually, cost center will be in 2 places. One is in the work center level and in the FL and equipment level. Okay. FL and equipment level. Okay. What you told will go and sit in this cost center because the maintenance is done on this object. You are taking resources from here to do maintenance on this. Are you clear? You are using the resources from here to do maintenance on the technical object.
Yeah.
Maintenance is done for this, not for this.
Yeah.
Are you clear?
Maintenance done by work center.
Yes.
On
By work
equipment.
center for technical object. For technical object.
On equipment or a function
Yes.
location.
So your work is done on this means the cost should go for this cost center only.
Yeah, the cost will flow from work center to work
I'll
center,
finish.
cost
Then
center
no.
to.
Correct. How the cost will flow? So here resources are there. Here resources are there. Not one. There are many resources. Correct. So every resource, the salary will vary. So this is FA actually. So what I am doing, this every resource I'll be creating as activity type. That is what I wrote here. Activity type. That will be coming in the F integration. This activity type, every guy, this activity type. Actually, this is FI. We'll see later. For Mason will be created as activity type. This filter will be created as activity type. For filter, for mason, what is the cost? Against this work center's cost center. Against this work center's cost center with activity type. It will confuse actually for you. Your question is valid, but actually that is not the case. Okay. KP26 T code. In T code KP26, this is FI T code for your people. Okay, that is FI. Your mason, labor, technician like this. Okay, see your IT team, drivers. Okay, so training, engineering. This is called activity type. For this, against your work center, cost center, your cost is maintained. That is the role of this work center, cost center. But you will get confused now, I know. Okay, so this is for labor cost calculation. The cost center in the work center is only for KP26 labor cost calculation that we will discuss during labor cost discussion. You will get confused actually. I know you will get confused. Okay. This is not related to what you told is this. From here, again it will come and sit here only. This and all calculation will come and sit finally here. Okay. This is not for the settlement. This is not for the settlement. This is only for the settlement. You are confused, right? I know. That is FA discussion. We'll discuss later. You don't worry. EM to FA discussions. Okay. If you want, you can go to my video. Okay. It is there, labor cost flow. You can go through my video. It will take some time, but you will understand in detail. If you are more interested, okay. If you are more interested, you can go through this labor cost video. You will understand very clearly on that. I think I have that labor cost flow. If you are more interested, we'll see later. We'll see. Okay. I think I'll check and provide you later. I think it is not. I don't have the link, but it is in the YouTube. I'll provide you later. Okay, that's all for today. Anything, let me know. Go through this PPT and come. I had already given the YouTube video. Whoever got system, try to run this video and try to do practice something. What I explained here only, tomorrow I'm going to explain. I have given in the front end. So go through this YouTube video and just come with ideas. So tomorrow class will be still more better. Okay. I'll send this PPT to everyone. That's all for today. Shankar, you be in the call, others. And I forgot to tell you, tomorrow we'll discuss, but again, I'm telling now, write in your HANA, put a star. How HRMS is, how resources are added in the work center. Okay, how resources are, this is an entry question, how resources are added in work center. Okay, through HRMS. This is an entry question. This is a very important entry question. Okay, this is entry question. Anything for today? Anyone? Any questions?
No, sir.